that's why, I think that, what Maria and I are trying to do as far as, providing that as a service to, send the home sleep test to people's homes. So that's what we do. We'll send the home sleep test, out to the homes. They don't have to go to a hospital. They don't have to go to another sleep center. They can do it right in the comfort of their own home. Once we identify if there's a sleep issue, we'll definitely send them to Maria or our group of networks, and they can provide, that dental care that they have to get and everything that Maria does on her side. And then that way we can offer comprehensive services and actually get people to start recognizing that you have options and treatment options available.